Good morning, class. Myself, Umesh Rathod, lecturer in mechanical engineering from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's lecture, we will learn about margin of safety and profit volume ratio. Of the subject estimating, costing, and contracting, subject code 3351905 from Mechanical Engineering Department. Starting with margin of safety. If break-even quantity is Q1 and actual production is Q2, then Q2 minus Q1 known as safe quantity because it is profitable to us. The quantity which is in between production quantity and break-even quantity give us profit. So it is known as safe quantity. Now the ratio of this safe quantity to break-even quantity Q1 known as safety margin, or the sales more than break-even sales known as margin of safety. Let me represent it with the equation safety margin equal to Q2 minus Q1, where Q2 equal to actual production quantity and Q1 equal to break-even quantity. So ratio of Q2 minus Q1 to break-even quantity Q1 known as safety margin, which is equal to Q2 divided by Q1 minus 1. So this is the equation of margin of safety or safety margin. Let me understood it by graphically. If the total cost line drawn parallel to x-axis, as we shown in break-even analysis, and total sales line makes projection line with fixed cost from y-axis, as shown in figure. So here a chart is given on which x-axis represent quantity and y-axis represent total production cost. A straight horizontal line parallel to x-axis known as fixed cost. A triangle below the fixed cost line represent loss, and the triangle above fixed cost represent profit. Let have named each and every point. Here, the intersecting point between loss and profit is Q1, and the total production quantity is Q2. Let have named them E equal to fixed cost. Now B equal to our break-even quantity. ED equal to our fixed cost line, and CD equal to our profit. So from triangle BEA and triangle BDC, we got BD by B equal to CD by A, where BD equal to Q2 minus Q1, B equal to Q1, CD equal to Z, or in other words, it's equal to profit, and A equal to our fixed cost F. So the equation became Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q1 equal to Z divided by F. So safety margin equal to Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q1 equal to Z divided by F, or in other words, safety margin equal to profit divided by a fixed cost. Move on to profit volume ratio. The relationship between production output and profit indicated by this graph. So the relation between production output and profit we indicated by profit volume ratio. If production less than break-even point, it undergoes loss, as we know. So it represents below output axis and with negative sign. And if the production is more than break-even quantity, then it represents profit, and represents above output axis with positive sign. The unit increase in output more than break-even point represented by a graph known as profit volume ratio. So if there is a increase in 1 unit more than the break-even point, and there will be a graph indication, and this graph will show us profit volume ratio, and generally denoted by a slope. Let me see how graphically. Same way, x-axis represent quantity and y-axis represent profit, while a straight line represent a fixed cost. Now, the area about a fixed cost line represented by positive sign because there is an increase in quantity, and the area below the fixed cost line represented by negative sign because it increases loss. Same way, the two triangle is given. One is represent loss below fixed cost line, and the triangle above the fixed cost line represent profit. The intersecting point of loss and profit known as break-even point, and the total quantity is Q2. That have named them F, O, B, K, L, and M. Okay, let me have see it with analytically. Profit volume equal to Km by Fm, where Km equal to total sales or profit, and Fm equal to total quantity. Where Fm equal to budgeted output or a total quantity. Km equal to KL plus Lm, where KL equal to profit and Lm equal to fixed cost. So profit volume ratio equal to KL plus Lm divided by Fm, or in other words, profit volume ratio equal to profit plus fixed cost divided by output or total quantity, or or in other words, profit volume ratio equal to profit divided by marginal cost. Break-even point with profit volume ratio. So break-even point at sales volume known as fixed cost divided by profit volume ratio. So here is the equation of profit volume ratio. Thank you, student. Thanks for listening me carefully.